Good morning. It's Friday, the 9th, end of, I guess, the first full week of Vlogmas, per se. Today we'll have some first-time fragrance tryouts a little later, and then the advent calendars. I skipped my coffee yesterday. I completely forgot about it, and I might skip it today too. I haven't decided yet. It's still too early, just because it takes a while to brew and everything. That I'm thinking about maybe doing like a couple of days, like, because I usually have like 2 to 3 cups of coffee. So maybe on Saturday I'll try them all out and then talk about how they each taste, because they're just a little bit time consuming and a little bit unique as well. So it's definitely a neat calendar for those that like coffee and like to savor black coffee. I'm more of a like, I need the coffee and down it for work kind of person. So I think I would have done better with like an advent calendar that does pots of coffee. That's probably what I need. So hint, hint, anybody who knows me, loves me. Well, nobody loves me, but you know, anybody who knows me, if you need to get me a gift, you know, pots of coffee, that's usually a good win-win. So that probably would be the best advent calendar for me. So that's what I'm going to hunt for next year, is a pot of coffee per day, either 12-day or 24-day type of calendar. So anyway, yeah, one last work day and the weekend is here. Hey y'all, it's First Time Fragrance Friday, and I've got the commodity set from Sephora. This is the Scent Space Edit. It's got this little scan on the back, but I'm not going to bother doing that. So it's got book, paper, gold, milk, velvet, and moss. Scent Space, book and paper are personal, gold milk are expressive, and velvet moss are bold. So we are going to try them out today. And I love that they're little scent spritzers. So let's see. Book. What I think is interesting is that the full size is black, but here they're white. So book is going to be top notes of sandalwood and cedar, middle notes are black tea, musk, and base note is musk. It's not bad. On the back here, it's saying soft, ethereal, luxurious fragrances that cling to the skin, only to be noticed by you and the few you allow close. Oh, fun. So this little try it out thing. Your to market a favorite, maybe not for me. Fragrance isn't one scent fits all. Some want a fragrance that fills the room. Some want a fragrance that goes unnoticed by most. Some want a fragrance that goes unnoticed, while others want a fragrance right in between. So we created Scent Space. Each commodity fragrance is available in 3 scent space projections: personal, expressive, and bold, so that we can find your favorite fragrance, your ideal projection. In this exclusive collaboration with Sephora, you'll experience all 6 fragrances in their fan favorite scent space. They told you all about it in here. Nice. I have to tell you, I'm not a fan of book. It's a little too light and woody. Let's move on to paper. Ooh, that's just alcohol. Whoa. All I can smell is alcohol. It's not pleasant. This woody blend comes alive on skin with lightweight and effortless glow of ISO Eat Super Amber and Sandalwood. Oh my God. I mean, it's gotta be, it's just alcohol. That is not pleasant. Not pleasant at all. Do not recommend. That can just not be part of my life. Wow. Not a fan. Notes: ISO E Super, Sandalwood, Amber, Woodsy Notes, Vetiver. Not a fan. That can just go somewhere and die. Let's just be blunt. Go somewhere and die. Gold. Gold is expressive. The Warm Gourmand. Okay, this one should be good. Warm Gourmand. Luxurious blend of molten amber, sandalwood, and sweet vanilla. This better be good. I'm just gonna say it. This better be good. Gold. Say it. Out for you. Oh yeah. Okay. Gold is my love. I like gold. We are all about the gold, which is funny because gold is not my metal of choice. Next is Milk. Expressive cold milk cools down otherwise warm and creamy fragrances of marshmallow, mahogany, and tonka bean. But that sounds pretty good. Oh yeah, okay. Milk is comforting. I was gonna say it may have been milk, like rancid, gross, but no, I like milk. Next is Vetiver, which is probably not gonna be good. Oh, not Vetiver, it's Velvet. Oh my God, I'm going blind. Velvet Bold. Deep ambery blend of vanilla, rose, and amber is made even darker with an overflow of patchouli and labdamen. This reminds me of Dermalogica products. This is what Dermalogica products smell like. So I like them. Don't know if I want to smell like it, but I don't mind it. So Velvet. Last and not least, Moss. Moss is bold. Green and citrus aroma of bergamot, oak moss, and petitgrain, juniper berry, and warm amber. Yeah, it's okay. Not in love. It's okay. Can I say I would buy any of these in full size? I would definitely buy Milk and Velvet. And Gold. Not right now though, but maybe. I'm glad to have this sample. I would not buy this at full price. $135. It's not worth $135. Definitely not. But thankfully they have a 10 mil for $25. And I'd be down with that. So. It's a good sampler too. Definitely worth it. It is time to get the wine out. Day number 9, and look who's here, ready to drink on up.
that looks like a...
Oh my God, it's pink!
Nice.
Pinky Truce, Vino Rosato, Italian. Yay, I'm excited.
All right.
Can't wait.
All right, here, Pinky Truth.
It's Dia Nueve. You can go and get that one up there.
Nueve.
Nueve. It's right there.
Ah, okay. Oh, you said up there. That's why I was looking high.
Oh,
okay.
the upper calendar.
Yeah.
The lower calendar.
That I knew, yeah.
An extra special thing for pickles.
This looks kind of the same as yesterday.
Well,
maybe the color's a little different.
A bone.
I can't quite remember.
They'll be happy.
Yep. Another one of these. Does that look familiar?
You want to get the drawer out?
You can't eat the...
I think Miss Pickles will like... What's over here? Oh my goodness!
Well, she's going at the... Oh, it's a ball.
Squeeze it.
It's a squeaky ball.
What's that, Pickles?
Pickles.
Where are you at?
Is that a ball? Is this a ball? Is that a ball? Oh, leave it alone, Bamboo. You don't play with balls.
She's excited.
Yeah.
All right, and 9 is over here again. Wrapped in this. It is... There it is. Aroma Active. Never heard of that brand. Some repair cream. So that's interesting. I'll insert whatever details I find out about that. Chocolat.
Again, that little paper layer underneath is... There we go.
Where this off?
Looks like a lint truffle.
Yeah, a traditional
I think the
one.
red is the typical milk chocolate, right?
Milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate, yeah. So there you go. It's a lint truffle.
That's like basic biatch Lindor, so.
Yeah, it's still good.
Yeah, it'll work out.
I ain't mad at it.
I can't tell you how much I've been looking forward to this drink. I'm really looking forward to it, so cheers. It smells good. You said what, pink Rosato?
No, pink Rosato.
No, I just said?
Oh, I must have heard Moscato. Okay, I heard you wrong.
Rosato. Actually, I think I got my hopes up too much. It tastes like a dark red.
It's got a bit of tannic bitterness too, but it's got fruitiness too.
I was hoping for more
Sweetness.
fruity, more sweetie fruit notes, but it's okay. It's better than nothing. But finally, a pink. Good night, y'all.